This is trigonometric ratio of special angle. Trigonometric ratio of special angle. Angle 60, angle 30, angle 45. We want to use to solve trigonometry without using four-figure table and calculator. Without four-figure table and calculator. So let's derive the one of angle 60 degree and angle 30 degree. In an equilateral triangle, what is equilateral triangle? That all the angles are the same and the sides are equally the same. So here is 60 degree. Here is another 60 degree. Here is 60 degree. So the sides are 2, 2, and 2. That's what we call equilateral triangle. So let's divide this into 2. If I divide here into 2, here will be angle 30 degree. Here will be angle 30 degree. If I divide here into 2, here is 1, here is 1. Let me call it A, B, C. Let me call it N. Now, I want to find AN. To find AN, we are using Pythagoras rule. Pythagoras rule. Which states that the square of the hypotenuse, which is AB square, is equal to the sum of the square of the adjacent two sides. AB square is equal to BN square plus AN square. And what is AB square is 2. BN square is 1 plus AN square. So here is 4 because 2 square is 4. So equals to 1 plus AN square. When you collect like 10, 4, well, this plus 1 can become minus 1 is equals to AN square. So therefore, AN square is equal to 4 minus 1 is 3. So it is equals to 3. So there AN is the root of 3. So AN here is root 3. So we cannot get what is sine 60 cos 60 tan 60 the same way we do to 30. Okay, let me start with 30. If I start with 30, here is my opposite. Root 3 is my adjacent. Here is my hypotenuse. So what is sine 30 degree? Sine theta is equals to opposite over sine theta is equals to opposite over hypotenuse. So opposite over hypotenuse. And what the opposite there is 1. What is the hypotenuse is 2. So when I say what is sine 30, you need to tell me is 1 over 2. What is cos 30? Cos 30 means adjacent. Adjacent over hypotenuse. And what is adjacent? Is root 3, which is now root 3. Hypotenuse is 2. So let us talk about tan 30. Toa. T-O-A. So tan 30 degree is equals to opposite over adjacent, which is 1 over root 3. 1 over root 3. Now let's use 60. This will change. This adjacent will change. Hypotenuse will remain. Now here is opposite to 60. Why? Here is adjacent. So sine 60 degree. What is our opposite there? It's root 3. Root 3, which is root 3. And what is our hypotenuse is 2. If you look at it, sine 60 is equal to cos 30. Now, what is cos 60? Cos 60 said is adjacent over hypotenuse, which is 1 over 2. So cos 60 is sine 30. What about tan 60? Tan 60 means opposite over adjacent, which is root 3. So this is what we're going to use, but that this is for 60 and 30. So let me do the one for 45. So when you do the one for 45, I want to draw it. So okay, I can work with this now. Let's work with 45. So you will store this in your memory because we are going to use them to work. We are going to use them to work. We are going to use them. I will teach you how you can use them to work without stressing yourself to come here. So let's talk about angle 45 degree. So in a right angle triangle, if here is 90, here is 45 degree, here is another 45 degree, here is 1, here is 1. Let me call here A, B, C. So using Pythagoras rule, which says that the hypotenuse, which is AC square, is equals to AB square plus BC square. Now, AC square is equals to what is AB square? Is 1 square. BC is another 1 square. So AC square is equals to 1 plus 1. Therefore, AC square 1 plus 1 is 2. So AC is the root of 2. So here is root 2. Now, what is cos 45 degree? Now, here is opposite, here is adjacent, and here is hypotenuse. So cos 45 is adjacent over hypotenuse, which is 1 over root 2. Now, sine 45 degree is also opposite over hypotenuse, which is 1 over root 2. Then tan 45 degree, which is equals to opposite over adjacent, 1 over 1, and is equals to 1. So this is what our next topic, this is what we use to solve them without using 4-figure table or calculator. I want to encourage you again to subscribe again to my YouTube channel at Otable Maths Success, as we'll be treating topic by topic in maths. Remain blessed and God bless you.